Good morning, all of you. Let's start with the
Good morning, sir.
next point related to the Wumpus word environment. Now, up till we have seen the lot of things related to the Wumpus word environment. Yesterday only we have discussed about the piece properties and the some of the characteristic of the Wumpus word environment. And before that, already we have seen the what exactly this game is and what are the point system, award system, and what are the different elements in this game, what exactly is the uh, Wumpus is, and what exactly the uh, knowledge based agent and how it will play the game. So today actual we'll see the actual example related with the Wumpus word environment. Okay, now this is the situation we have given, as already we have discussed. Here is the our agent at the location 11, and this agent has to reach to this location within that cave, and he has to bring back the gold which is being located in this cave, and he has to come back safely without being killed by the that particular Wumpus. Here you see the different nomenclature uh, for the different terms, like we have the A for the agent, B for the breach, G for the glitter and the gold. Safe particular safe room is indicated by the OK. If any room is safe, that room is mentioned as a OK. Then P for the pit, S for the stench, V for the visited, and the W for the Wumpus. These terms we are going to utilize while playing this game. Now, as already know, the knowledge base initially contains only the rules or the facts about the Wumpus word environment. Initial knowledge is being contained within a knowledge base. All of you can able to view the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see the step one. What is exactly the step one? Now initially the player or the our knowledge base agent is in which room? It is in the room 1-1. This room 1-1. Okay. Now at this position, this knowledge base agent will pursue something as we have discussed. What at this location the knowledge base agent will pursue something or it sends something. Okay, now at this location what is being perceived by the knowledge base agent, let's see. This is the perception by knowledge base agent. Now tell me what is the meaning of these. All of you can able to see this. This is the perception by, or this is the sense by the knowledge base agent at the location or at the room 1-1. What he pursue? Yes. What the knowledge base agent is perceiving at the room 1-1? Tell me. Yes. All of you can able to see that this marking I am doing here.
Yes, sir.
Now what is being perceived by the agent at this location 1-1? Yes. I already told you the perception consists of the 5 elements. Correct? Which 5 elements? Perception
Strange breeze.
Strange breeze, glitter,
breach,
bump.
glitter, bump and the scream. आता मी काय विचारतो की ही जी लोकेशन आहे 1-1, ह्या लोकेशनला what will be perceived by the agent? Here I have mentioned the perception by the agent at the location 1-1. This is the perception. What is the meaning of this? That is I am asking. Yes. What is the meaning of this perception at the room 1-1? Yes. All of you got the question what I am asking?
No five element.
None, 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 none. You must be observing it 5 times none. Yes or no?
Yes.
Means what? What is the meaning of this none, 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 none?
म्हणजे नथिंग काहीच नाही तिकडे.
Nothing. Here
Non-element.
at this position, at the position 1-1, agent is not perceiving anything. He is not sensing anything. You are getting correct?
Yes, sir.
So meaning of that what? Now tell me what is the meaning of this? How the movement will be made by the agent then? What options are available for the agent at this location? Location 1-1. Yes. What options are available? Yes. You got the question? Where the agent will go from the location 1-1?
Location 1, 2 or 2, 1.
Yes, because agent cannot move diagonally. Okay, agent cannot move like this. Agent either move in this direction or it might move in this direction. Now at the initial situation, he is not perceiving anything. Means he has these 2 options available. You are getting the meaning of this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At this location, agent is not perceiving anything. He has received the perception as what? All the 5 element as a none. It means what? Agent can move in this direction or agent can move in this direction. Both the options are available for the agent. All of you are agree?
Yes, sir.
So at the location 1-1, here I mention player can move to the room 1-2 or player can move to the room 2-1 because both of these are the safe cells or both of these are the safe rooms. Cells meaning इथं काय घ्यायचं आपल्याला rooms. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see now what will happen further. What can be happen? Now this is the room. Now you can see this is the room is marked as a V because it is already visited, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now as room 1-1 is visited, now we can see it is being marked as a V in that room. Okay, now player receive the following percept. Now player can, as I said, in the next step, player can move in this direction or it can move in this direction. Okay, now we assume that player move in this direction. Got the point? Means in which room player has moved?
Breeze.
Room number 1-2. Correct? Room number 1-2. Got the point? This room.
Yes.
So when the player will move in this room, he has received the perception as this. What he received the perception? This perception. What does it mean? आता आपला एजंट कुठे आहे? इथं. तर इथं याला परसेप्शन काय झालं? काय सेन्स केलं एजंटनी इथं?
Breeze.
ब्रिज.
Breeze.
कारण सगळे बाकीचे 4 एलिमेंट नन आहेत. फक्त इथं काय
None
ब्रिज?
आहेत.
ब्रिज. Means what? Now what does it mean? What does it mean? When the agent will perceive the breach, what is its meaning? हम्म?
नल नाहीये सर तो.
काय?
तिथं काहीतरी अवेलेबल आहे, तिथं नल
हा,
नाहीये.
मग ब्रीजचं मिनिंग काय? When I already told you yesterday, when the agent receive the breach, what he understand from that sense, त्याच्यावरून त्याला काहीतरी आयडिया येईल ना की त्याच्या आसपास काय असणार आहे. Yes, when the agent receive the perception as a breach, what does it mean?
सेन्सिंग अवेलेबल सर तिथं.
ब्रीच त्यांनी सेन्स केलं ऑलरेडी रूम 1-2 मध्ये, पण त्याचं मिनिंग काय? When the agent receive the breach, what he understand from that? When the agent receive the stench, what is the meaning of that? Yes,
त्याच्या ऍडजस्टंट रूम मध्ये ना पीठ आहे.
exactly. Who is this?
शंतनू बोगाडे.
शंतनू. तुम्हाला सांगितलं ना, म्हणजे काय बाकीच्यांनी व्हिडिओज बघितलेले नाही परत. They have not understood till. Understood what I am already number of times I told की ह्या प्रत्येक परसेप्शनचा काहीतरी मिनिंग आहे. When the agent receive the perception as a breach, it means that त्याच्या शेजारी कुठेतरी काय असणार आहे? पीठ असणार आहे. On the neighbor of that agent there must be a pit when the agent receive the perception as a breach. The same thing I have mentioned, as a breach percept is received in the room 1-2, and that's why we mark the room 1-2 as a B here. And now it can be predicted that there is a bottomless pit in the neighboring room. मग आता ह्या रूमचे नेबर्स कुठले? This room is the one neighbor, this is the another neighbor. Got the point? And this is also the another neighbor of the room 1-2. Understood? Now we can see here 1-3 is already containing the pit. Understood? And that's why you can see here 1-3 is marked as a pit, as a P. Okay. So now agent has to think where he should move from room 1-2, because you can see he has now perceived the breach there, and you can see it is not safe to the move into the room 1-3. Understood? Because room 1-3 is what? Pit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So here the agent feels some kind of danger. You are getting the point? Yes. And that is the reason agent will return back. Agent will return back to the room 1-1 again. And it will again try to find the safe room. This is our second step. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see what is happening in the next step. Now you can see player in the room 2-1 where he has received the perception as a. Now after returning to the room 1-1, आता हा ऑप्शन तर ऑलरेडी चेक केला त्यांनी. येस ऑर नो? विच ऑप्शन?
Yes.
Yes.
इनिशियली एजंट कडे कोणते ऑप्शन होते? रूम 1-2
1-2.
आणि 2-1. बरोबर? आता कुठला बाकी राहिला? 2-1. So agent will move in this room. Now when he move in this room, he will receive the perception as this. Now tell me what is the meaning of this perception?
Stench.
Stench, yeah, it is written. What is the meaning of that? What the agent will understand from that?
Bad smell is there.
Yeah, that already we know. But what the agent will know from that? की बॅड स्मेल येतोय, पण त्याच्यावरून त्याचं काय परसेप्शन होईल? की आता नेक्स्ट मुवमेंट कुठं करायला पाहिजे, तो कसं ठरवेल? Just like Shantanu told, when the breeze is coming in that room, it means that the neighboring rooms
Means,
are.
he will move to location because there is no any pit.
No, no. First, you tell me what the agent will perceive from the these perception as a stench. Just like in the previous step we have discussed, when the bridge is there in this room, the agent knows that there might be a pit on the neighboring room. That is the meaning of bridge. That is the perception from the bridge. When there is a stench in this room, what the agent will understand regarding the making the movement.
रूम मध्ये वंपस राहील sir.
इथं जर स्टेंच येत असेल तर त्याचा अर्थ काय होतो की त्याच्या ह्या ज्या रूमच्या ज्या शेजारच्या रूम आहेत,
Neighboring
आता ह्या
room.
रूमच्या शेजारची रूम कुठली आहे? ही एक रूम आहे, बरोबर? ही एक रूम आहे आणि ही एक रूम आहे. गॉट द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Neighboring rooms of the two one are this one and the this one. Understood? So as a stench is coming, agent here perceive that, here I have mentioned as a stench, which means that there might be a wampus in the neighboring rooms. There might be what? Wampus in the neighboring rooms. Now, which neighboring rooms? This one, 2-2. Correct? This room or room 3-1. This one. Understood? We cannot, now he already know room 1-2 is containing the bridge. So that is, he don't worry about the room 1-2. But he has to think about the room 2-2 and the 3-1. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from that, what he understand as in the from the previous step, okay, as here we don't get any breach perception in this room, only we get the stench. Okay, so we can understand that the room 2-2 cannot have any pit. From the previous step we can understand that. Okay, and room 2-2 cannot have any wampus also, because room 2-2 did not show any kind of stench perception. इथं आपल्याला स्टेंच परसेप्शन आलं होतं का?
नाही.
नाही. इथं ब्रिज आलं होतं. अंडरस्टूड? इथं आपल्याला स्टेंच परसेप्शन आलं. So it means what? There can be a wampus in the room 3-1 or there can be a wampus in the room 2-2. Understood? But from the step 2 we have understood इथं wampus असू शकतो का? पाठीमागच्या स्टेपवरून आपल्याला हे समजतं की इथं वंपस असू शकत नाही. येस ऑर नो?
Yes.
कारण इथं जर स्टेंच येत असला तर आपण इथं समजू शकलो असतो की इथं वंपस असू शकतो. यू आर गेटिंग व्हॉट आय एम सेइंग? बट इन द प्रिव्हियस
Yes, sir.
स्टेप वी हॅव अंडरस्टूड ॲज ब्रिज इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस रूम, इथं वंपस असू शकत नाही. करेक्ट? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
So out of these two rooms, room 3-1 or room 2-2, which is the safe to move? From this location, which is the safe room to move? 3-1 or 2-2?
2-2 location.
2-2 location, exactly. 2-2 location is the room which is now safe to move. Understood? So now as we can see, agent move from this room to this room, and now next he will move to this room. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's see then what happens in that next step. Now when he go to the room 2-2, this room, when he go to the room 2-2, now he will perceive this. What does it mean? Yes, in the room 2-2, he perceive this. What is its meaning? Yes. He received the perception as this in the room 2-2. Now tell me.
There is no any perception.
Nothing perception means what? He can move in any room now. That is the meaning of that perception. Yes or no? Correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now his neighbors are which? Check. His neighbors are, you can see room 2, 3. This is the one neighbor. Okay. Another is the room 3, 2. 3, 2. This is the another neighbor. अंडरस्टूड. आता ही ह्या नेबरचं त्याला ऑलरेडी माहित आहे. येस ऑर नो?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He also already know about these also. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He has to think only about this room and this room. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now where he will move then? आता त्याच्याकडे दोन ऑप्शन आहेत. रूम 2, 3 and the room 2, 2. Correct? Room
Yes.
2, 3 and 3, 2. आता आपण जर म्हटलं की तो रूम, the agent from this location, agent will go to this room, for example. Correct?
Yes.
If he go in this room, इथं त्याला काय हे होणार आहे परसेप्शन?
Breeze.
ब्रिज.
रूमला पीठ आहे.
म्हणजे की त्याला शेजारी कुठेतरी पीठ आहे. हा ऑप्शन त्याला इथून परत तो काय करावा लागेल? त्याला परत रिटर्न यावं लागेल. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir. Mm.
यू आर गेटिंग व्हॉट आय एम सेइंग? व्हेन ही गो, आता त्याला दोन ऑप्शन आहेत. How many options are having from this location? He is having the two option. This is the one.
Two options.
This is the another. मग इथं जर गेला, आता आपण पॉसिबिलिटी चेक
Yes.
करून बघूया. आपण काय करू? We are playing the game. We have to check the. We have to think. So when he go this room, now he will perceive here bridge. आता इथं मी ती स्टेप दाखवलेली नाही.
Bridge.
तुम्ही ती स्टेप दाखवू शकता. I have skipped that step. Okay. Now इथं गेल्यानंतर त्याला असं he has perceived that bridge is coming, so there might be a pit in the neighboring room. So that's why what he does, आता हा ऑप्शन चेक करून झाला, तो काय करेल? He will come back and he will then check the
Return back होईल, sir.
and he will check the another option. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now same thing we have shown in the step 5, and that is the reason he will move to the room 3, 2. Where he move? To the room 3, 2. And in the 3, 2, he will receive the percept as a stage. All of you can able to see in this
Yes, sir.
in the room 3, 2, in this room, he will receive the perception as a stench, breeze, glitter, none and none. In this room 3, 2, this room. In this room, he will receive the perception as what? Stench, breeze, and glitter. And fourth is a none, fifth is a none. Now, what is
None.
tell me the meaning of this perception. What he will understand from that? Yes.
So stench means in a neighboring room there is a wampus.
हा, हे
And,
त्याला पहिल्या पॅरामीटर वरून त्याला कळले, स्टेंच वरून ही विल अंडरस्टँड की आता ह्या रूमच्या शेजारी कुठेतरी वंपस आहे. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सेकंड काय? ब्रिज. त्याला असं
Breeze means
ही विल ऑल्सो परसिव्ह की ह्या रूमच्या शेजारी कुठेतरी बॉटमलेस पीट सुद्धा आहे.
आहे.
And he will also perceive the glitter. From that he will understand that की ह्या रूम मध्येच काय आहे? गोल्ड आहे.
Gold.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So from the field 1 of that perception, he understood that room 3-1, 3-3 and 4-2. कुठले याचे neighbors? Room 3-1, this one,
3, 3,
then
1,
room 3-3, this room,
2,
or
2.
room 4-2, 4-2, this room. हे त्याचे neighbors आहेत currently. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
कुठले? this room and these rooms are his current neighbors. Understood? Now from that he understand की ह्या तीन पैकी कुठल्या तरी रूम मध्ये काय असू शकतो? वंपस असू शकतो. Then from the second field, field 2, he perceived that room 3-1, room 3-3, room 2-2 and 4-2 can have
4, 2.
the bottomless pit. 3-1,
Pit.
which is the 3-1, 3-1 is the same. Then
बस
3-1, then 3-3,
3, 3.
2-2 and 4-2. की ह्या रूम मध्ये काय असू शकतो?
4, 2.
बॉटमलेस पीट असू शकतो. There can be a bottomless pit also.
शकतो.
And from the field 3, he perceived that the room 3-2 has the gold. From the field 3, that is the glitter, he perceived that ki here in this room there is a gold is present. Understood? So what action will be taken by the agent in this room now? Tell me.
Agent grab the gold.
The grab action will be taken by that particular agent. So the player here
Gold.
grab the gold first. Understood? Now aim of the game is not just to grab the gold. Aim of the game is what? To grab the game and go back to the starting position without being killed by the wampus.
Compass.
Now what will be its safe sequence to return back?
येईन सर तो परत.
So I am asking the safe sequence to return back. त्याला कुठले ऑप्शन्स आहेत टू रिटर्न बॅक?
3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1.
Yes, this is the 2-2. Then from 2-2 he can go to the
2,
2
1,
and then he can go to the
2, 1, 1, 1.
1-1. Is there another options also?
No, sir.
First you told me like this, correct? Yes. Is this sequence
Yes,
is
sir.
also possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Second safe sequence is also there ना, because he already know this room is containing the
sir.
breach. ब्रीच कंटेन करतो म्हणजे सेफ आहे तिथे
हा.
काही पीट नाही, बरोबर ना? हा पण सेफ सिक्वेन्स होऊ शकतो.
हा.
So he has, now you can see he has the two safe sequences to return back without being get killed by the wampus. So from the step 1, 2, 3, 4 up to these steps we can understand. We know that the room 1-1, room 1-2 and the room 2-1 and the room
2, 1.
these are all the safe rooms. So agent can come back to the room 1-1 by following the two options, by following the two paths. This is the first path, room 2-2, then room 2-1 and then room 1-1. This is the first. He is also having the second safe path, that is the room 2-2 itself, room 1-2 and the room 1-1. Okay, so any sequence can be followed by the agent here. Understood? And in that way the agent can come back to this. Now according to the game we have played, agent will come like this or agent will come like this. Understood? And the conclusion of this game played by us now, that our agent has won this Wampus World game. Correct or not? Yes, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that is
sir.
nothing but our conclusion, that Wampus in the game which we have played now, the our agent has won the game. But you can see this kind of intelligence need to be there in case of the knowledge base agent. Understood? And in this way, with the help of the artificial intelligence, it become possible now to put such kind of knowledge in the knowledge base of this kind of knowledge base agent, and accordingly the way human beings are playing the games, okay, in the similar way the robot or the AI agent, or you can call it as our knowledge base agent, can also play the game. Understood? So that is nothing but the power of artificial intelligence. Okay, so that's it from the our this Wumpus word environment. Okay, this concept we have discussed in 3 lectures. In the 3 parts we have discussed it, because the questions are always asked in that manner also. You will never get the question where you have to explain the content of all these 3 lectures we have discussed. Okay, 3 types of questions always being asked in this related with this topic. First question, number of times being asked related with this topic, is nothing but describing the various piece properties of the Wumpus word environment for the 4 marks. Okay, then for the 8 marks the example is being asked. Describe the Wumpus word environment with the help of the example. The example is nothing but this
Example.
example this today we have discussed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This kind of example you have to explain if the question being asked related with the example of the Wumpus word environment. Okay, and if the just general question is asked, it can be also asked for the 10 marks. Describe the Wumpus word environment problem. Then in that case you have to write the mixed answer. Mixed answer in the sense content of some of the content of our first lecture, what exactly the Wumpus word environment problem is. Then you can also, in short, you can also explain about the piece properties of the Wumpus word, that is the content of our second. And if time permits you and the question is asked for the 10 marks, you can also go for the short example like this also. Got the point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that's it from this today's lecture. You need to go through the contents that we have discussed up till now. Okay, next time we'll start with the new topic. Okay.